In this video, I will show you how to add text to your TikTok video complete tutorial. Firstly, you need to open up your profile section on your account. Then you need to tap on the third selection or on that creator section on which you're gonna create that video on it. Just go tap on it, and then simply you need to select the video section from it, or you can upload it right now from your right wing. Yeah, I will go from here, go for videos. For example, I will choose this one and then just go next. But before you go next, as we mentioned before, we're gonna add text right now. As you can see on the first selection on your right side, you have text. Click on that side. You can say wherever you want, for example, hi world, and then simply you can select the bold section, the side section of that side selection for this text, and then you can select the color of it, and when you're done you need simply to tap on done, and then you can resize it if you want. And after that, what is most important right here, when you add that side, you need to go next. But before you do that, you need to tap on the text side and then go on the second selection which says set duration. Go on it, and now you need to set the duration in which you're gonna get up and appear that text on that video. Just go on the tick when you're done, write down, and now as you can see the video start. It doesn't have that type of text, but as you can see it appears on that side which we have done it before.